Good evening. Welcome to the eighth wonder of the world. Today, I'll be talking about my newest asset to my index fund, which is Chubb. But before I get into that, what's today? Monday. So the market's closed. As you can see, the screen is black. That indicates a closed market for stocks, but for cryptos, it's 24/7. So I do hold cryptocurrencies, and on Saturdays I go over my cryptocurrencies. This Saturday I'm going over, what is it? Oh, Bitcoin, and then Sundays I talk about purchasing physical precious metals. I'll be talking about which precious platinum. So platinum. So pretty much I'm a holder of silver and platinum. Gold and palladium, they're too high for me, so I'm gonna wait. My range, my for investing in precious metals is silver and platinum, but I think I'm gonna stick more to silver. Probably go 10 ounces. So, but enough of that. This is pretty much. I don't. I'm a long-term investor, so I don't look at the live, the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month, 3 month, 1 year. I go straight to all. Oh, let me bring me back. I got a float on top, so it should reset. Let me reset this. I'm currently in South America, so the internet is different than being back in the States. Okay, pretty much. I look at the all. Um, so I'm up 6.46%, which is I'm playing the rule of 72 game. So I'm playing the compound interest. So I'm all about just building up my portfolio to catch the compound interest game. So I'm up $774. My strategy, I'm investing in an entire market. I currently have 77 sectors. I have my own list where companies that I buy, and right now my list is at 1,500 companies, which includes stocks, index funds, ETFs, and REITs, all mixed in. So, as of now, I am investing in the foundation first, and then once I get the foundation filled, then I'll start building up the wall. So, all right, so let's jump into it. This is Chubb, one of my newest asset. This is a company that's from Zurich, Switzerland. So I got a company out in Europe. And another thing too that I like, the way I'm investing, I get to explore other companies that are out there, and just to own something from another country, it just it's fulfilling. It's motivating. It feels like it's just I'm exploring. So I'm an explorer by heart and soul. So I've always been an explorer, and this is pretty much getting me more roundabout in the stock market, where the global. So I always go to the 5 year. Um, its peak is 155 on January 26, 2018, or you can look at the usually they have like a high, a 52-week high, 52-week low, but for some reason it's not showing it on here. So it's a hit or miss. But if it doesn't have it, I just look at the chart and then just go to its highest point. So it's 150. I bought in at 149. I'm down negative 1.17%. 259 people own Chubb on Robinhood. The current market price is $147. About Chubb Ltd. operates as a holding company, which engages in the provision of commercial and personal property and casualty insurance, personal accident and supplemental health insurance, A&H, reinsurance, and life insurance. It operates through the following geographical segments: North America commercial P&C insurance, North America personal P&C insurance, North America agriculture insurance, overseas general insurance, global reinsurance, and life insurance. The company was founded on January 14, 2016, and is headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland. The current CEO is Evan G. Greenberg. Employees 32,700. Headquarters Zurich, Switzerland. Founded in 2016. Market cap 67.49 billion. PE ratio 17.58. Dividend yield 2.24. So this kind of reminds me of like a Berkshire B, not the A but the B, in the same pretty much sector. Buy 50%, hold 36%, sell 14%. Dividend is it's July, yeah, it's pending, so I'll get paid a dividend from them. Now, a thing with this, on my phone it'll show it, but I got my phone plugged up, so I'll go over that in another video. So I'm gonna talk a little bit more about Chubb. Little background information. Chubb Limited. Chubb Limited, incorporated in Zurich, Switzerland, is the parent company of Chubb, a global provider of insurance products covering property and casualty, accident and health, reinsurance, and life insurance. Chubb operates in 54 countries and territories in the Lloyd's insurance market in London and is the world's largest publicly traded property and casualty insurer. Clients of Chubb consist of multinational corporations and local businesses, individuals, and insurers seeking reinsurance coverage. Chubb provides commercial and personal property and casualty insurance, personal accident and supplemental health insurance, reinsurance, and life insurance. The company arose when Ace Limited acquired Chubb in 2016, then adopted the Chubb name. Interesting, didn't know that. In 2015, the group had 98.2 billion in assets, 23.4 billion of gross written premiums, and approximately 21,000 employees. Ace trades on the New York Stock Exchange and is a component of the S&P 500. I have to look into that. Its core operating insurance companies are rated AA, very strong for financial strength by Standards and Poor's, and A++ superior by AM Best, with stable outlooks from both agencies. Fitch rates Ace Limited and its subsidiaries AA, very strong for financial strength, AA- for insurer default, and A+ for senior debt. Moody's rates the U.S. company A1 and the unsecured loans notes A3. Excuse me. On July 1st, 2015, Ace announced that it would acquire Chubb Corporation for $28.3 billion in cash and stock. Ace has committed that Chubb's current headquarters in Warren, New Jersey, USA, will have a substantial portion of the headquarters function of the combined company's North American division. The combined company adopted the Chubb name in January 2016 after the acquisition was completed. So a little information off to the side. Chubb, type public, traded as New York Stock Exchange. CMB is a S&P 500 component. Industry, insurance and reinsurance. Founded Hamilton, Bermuda, 1985. Headquarters Zurich, Switzerland. Area served worldwide. CEO Evan G. Greenberg. Products, property and casualty and health, life insurance, reinsurance. And then you see the revenue, operating income, net income, total assets, number of employees, and website. So if you want to, here's more information on it. I won't go over that. So if you're looking to buy in Chubb, there's info on that. So interesting. I did not know that about Chubb. So I'm gonna have to look at that. Ace. While we're here, let me look at Ace. Oh no, but Ace formed into Chubb, so they kept the Chubb name. So it's really, this is, as it was saying, this is really Ace, but they kept the Chubb name. So that's in in the portfolio. So that concludes Chubb. Tomorrow I'll be talking about, I got a REIT. Finally got me a REIT. So I'm going to be talking about a REIT that I purchased called Sun Communities. So I'll go over it from Southfield, Michigan with 2.79 dividend, May, June, July. So up for a dividend on the 15th of this month. So Sun Community, which is a REIT, I'll be speaking about that tomorrow. So that concludes this episode on my newly acquired asset, Chubb from Zurich, Switzerland, which was formerly Ace Limited. So this is Ace Limited. They bought Chubb, and then they was like, okay, we're gonna change over the Ace to Chubb, but Ace is Chubb. So they just pretty much, when they acquired Chubb, they was like, okay, we're gonna change the Chubb. So that'll do it for this one. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your summer. Audi.